The GAN 11 Pro has arrived. I'm just gonna unbox it. Felt like making a video. Yeah. Massive unboxing. GAN 11M Pro. And more. Alright. So first thing I see is this. Mystic Lube. Cool. Ooh. I'll open this first.
What is it?
This is a mini mat. It's the cubicle. Wow, that's loud. So this, you could take your cube and then go like, and it's soft. Well, actually,
very nice.
It's satisfying. Okay. I'm gonna put that over the. Oh, this Moyu RS3M 2020. Yeah. Got this for free because I spent over $75 on a cubicle. So yeah, you get it for free. And I'm gonna give this one to my sister. So I hope she...
What?
Hi, Ray.
Hi.
So, Ray, this is yours. Here, come here. Have a seat. Ooh. Alright. Nice cue, yeah? Wow, I feel like that's almost better than mine. Oh, very good cue. Of course, Raya. You look happy. Yeah, sit down. You will need your accessory box.
Your videos are 2.5 minutes, FYI, so.
I don't care.
Okay, I'll keep
You
going.
need your
man.
accessory box. This.
Ryan, look here.
This is your screwdriver. Do you know what to use with this? If it's loose or tight, you could take off the center caps.
Yeah, I know. Then unscrew it. Yeah.
You're gonna see the. Hey, let me see. Okay. So yeah, so you could. All right, here. Do you see? Open the center again. You see that blue thing? You have an extra. And then this is to twist them. You could adjust it. That's spring compression. I don't exactly know how that works, but here is some manuals in Chinese. Okay. Anyways, hope you enjoy your cube. Moving on.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Oh, that's the timer thing.
You know what this is?
Yes.
Bubble wrap.
Okay. But.
That's very bad bubble wrap. Very, very bad bubble wrap. Not good. Oh, yeah. So.
If my phone stops recording because of lack of storage, don't say I didn't warn you. Okay. Because we're at 4 minutes.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, take everything else out now. Come on. Raya, how you feeling? Raya?
Remove
How
before
are you feeling?
use.
Raya, how are you feeling?
Good.
All right. Oh, you solved it. Congratulations.
Solved it a while ago.
Okay.
It works.
What else is this bag of wonders?
Okay, and finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh, what's that?
The moment you've been waiting for.
Yeah, we've all been waiting for this.
I've all been waiting.
The GAN 11 M Pro, the $72 cube, which I got for $62.
What do I do if I unscrew this?
Unscrew it?
This.
Don't unscrew it out fully. That's just for loosening and tightening. Plus, if you do one, you have to do all of them. Oh yeah. Okay, it's over. Fine.
Do you have any music of angels playing? Oh,
No.
Alexa, play angel music.
It's not plugged in. Don't
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay. What
Wow.
is this? Huh?
The certificate of authenticity, that type of thing?
Your ultimate
like a
PB
credit card.
renewer.
It's like some credit card thing. It says GAN 11 and Pro on it.
Okay.
Oh my god. I saw this.
Okay, accessories first.
Take care of it, you mean?
Accessories.
Wow.
And then,
So a bag to hold it. How cute.
okay. Okay, these things. I don't know what they. Okay, obviously you need your GAN bag if you're
Right.
to get a GAN 11M Pro.
Right. You take that to your first tournament.
Yeah. Here's more instructions in Chinese. Wait, what's this? Is this more instructions in Chinese? Whoa, this screwdriver is insane. There's like a cap on it, and it's really, really, really small.
Mine's bigger.
Congrats.
Okay, I'm gonna just sit down soon.
Okay, finally.
7
Oh,
minutes.
you can like stab someone with this.
Oh,
Cool.
Maya. Right. We're on video here. Come on. Oh. Or we should be able to do it. Da, 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 da.
Oh my god, this is fast.
Okay.
This is so fast. This is insane. Anyways,
I don't mind it so loud.
so now I'm just gonna do an example solve. Yes, come on.
How about in another video?
No, it'll just take a second.
Okay.
Okay, so, oh wait. Let's scroll that a little more.
Not a second.
We're at
not like
8
a few
minutes,
seconds.
guys.
Okay, okay.
You need your timer? Here we go. And
This is so fast.
You can hear the gears twisting.
I don't even know how that happened. I'm not complaining though.
Oh, this is way too tight.
what did it say?
28 seconds, 7
Wow.
total.
Nice. All right, we're ending the video now. You happy?
Oh yeah,
All right. When's your first competition?
in 10 days.
Awesome.